Hello and welcome back. Today here we have an Astro-med portable 8-channel field recorder. It does come with the multi-channel cord adapter included. The case here as you see, as well as the instructions manual, the operations manual. In total the set weighs 37 pounds. It comes with a certificate of calibration. I'll show you here. It has 3 of the VHV, and as well as the calibration that you just saw in the owner's manual. And here are the VHV 8Us. This machine has been used, but we will show you how it is still in great working condition today.
So as Eric talked about, you do have 7 slots up here, or 8 slots up here, including the VHVs. There are 3 VHVs and 1 for calibration. So right now we have the calibration hooked up, we have the second channel hooked up, and the first channel hooked up. So I'm going to go ahead and have you come back a little bit. I'd like you to take a look at the screen. Right now we have it set up that you can see the frequency change in our channel right here. So we have this hooked up to a function generator. This is not included, we're just using it to show you how you can measure variation, and you can also keep track of this. This also has a setting to print it out, so if you're trying to figure out if an item or if a module isn't working correctly, you can print it out and keep track of the frequency and variation of voltage. So I'm going to go ahead, have Eric get a close-up of the screen here. I'm going to change the frequency on our function generator so you can see how well it keeps track of that change. This is great if you have items like pneumatic presses or valves that open and close. So as you can see the change clearly there. And one of the cool functions that you do have is you can change all of these settings here. So if I want to change color, for example, I can change it to yellow or red. So right now when we're channel 1, I can switch that to channel 2 and channel 3. So you get to customize each channel, and right now we only have 3 active, but as I said, all the channels up here are available to use and monitor. So now that I've shown you what you can do, just settings wise, you can customize the settings by going into System, down here to System Setup, and then here are some of the settings that you can change right here. I'm going to exit out of here, and then I also want to focus on one channel. So let's say you want to change the setting per channel. You can also do that by clicking the channel here, and as you can see you have DC, PK, RMS. You also have filters that you can do. Let's say you want to be very specific about the voltage. You can go ahead and click the filter and change that. So now that I've shown you what you can do with this device, I'm going to go ahead and share again the frequency change here. And now I'm going to go ahead and shut off the device. One thing I want to note is that this does sometimes have trouble starting and stopping. So we wanted to show you the setup and show you that it is working, but sometimes it does have trouble starting up. And this could be just a battery issue. I'm going to go ahead and shut it down, and I will show Eric can come over here to the side. It's going to shut off here. And then we'll start it up again. So this is the startup screen. Sometimes it will get stuck here. If that does happen, all you need to do is shut it down quickly and then start it up again. But let's give it a moment, see if it will work. If you do run into this issue, all you need to do is oh, it's going. Let's see, give it a moment. There it goes. Okay, so this time it did run smoothly. Sometimes though, if that does happen, just quickly restart. Shut down and restart again. As Eric did say, this does come with all 3 of the VHVs and the calibration module. If you have any questions, please visit us at mycyberoffice.com or visit our eBay page at mycyberofficeid. Thank you guys for watching.